buy as much stuff for free as you wish. Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to get unlimited shop credit in your favorite Android games, allowing you to buy unlimited money and gems in a lot of Android games. The app that we're going to use is Creehack APK. It's an amazing game cheating app that does not require any root. You can use it without a root, it will work flawlessly. As always, all the links are going to be down in the description, including the download. Like the video, subscribe for more content just like this, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. So without any further ado, let's get into Creehack. So you basically just download it at the link in the description, you install it, and then all you have to do to get unlimited free in-game purchases and unlimited shop credit in your favorite Android games is to simply start up the app and enable Creehack. That's all you have to do. Just push the enable button, get out of the game, and start up whatever game you want to cheat in, you want to get unlimited shop credit in. Then you are just going to start up the game. You're going to go into the in-app store by just generally clicking either your money or tapping your gems, and there you will be able to find the in-game purchases. All you have to do now is just go for buy, and Creehack will pop out. It will ask you, well, pretty much nothing. Just tap hack and you will get the in-game credit added, and you will be able to buy unlimited stuff forever, including, of course, unlimited gems. You can buy as many as you wish, as long as you wish. It does not matter. You will not have to pay anything, and that is all that there is to it. You just simply run Creehack, you run the game, you enable Creehack, and it will intercept the purchases automatically and allow you to buy as much stuff for free as you wish. However, as with all kinds of money cheats for Android games, this will only work on offline games and not online games that process their money on the servers and that validate the purchases through an online server, which means if your game requires the internet to work properly, what you're gonna want to do instead is use HackerBot APK. Simply download the app or simply Google game hacks, go to hackerbot.net, go to download cheats, use the hack finder tool to find legitimate cheats by simply entering the name of your game and what kind of cheat you're looking for, including APK mods, even iOS cheats, and so on, and you will be presented with the best cheats from the best providers out there, legitimate working stuff from sources that have proven to be legitimate for many years. Simply download the mods, install them if you are trying to cheat in an online game. As you can see, Creehack will work on offline games. It is ranked among the best game cheating apps for Android. As always, link in description below if you want to download the app. Like the video, subscribe for more game cheating content, and I will see you guys next time.